Since the SWiM LNB is unique to DirecTV, it's essential that you use the right hardware. You can easily spot the SWiM KAKU LNB by looking at the output ports. It only has one. When using a SWiM LNB, every component has to be compatible. Splitters and other inline devices designed for and used in cable TV distribution networks just won't work. And because we're using different frequencies, every unused port must be terminated. Use standard 75 ohm terminators like this. Let's start by looking at the power inserter that powers a SWiM LNB. First, you need to remember that there are two single-wire multi-switch devices. There's the SWM, which is a standalone multi-switch that gets signal from a traditional KAKU 4-output LNB and has one single-wire output and ports for traditional L-band distribution for legacy equipment. Then there's the SWM LNB we're covering in this session. The SWiM standalone unit requires a 29-volt DC power inserter, and the SWiM LNB requires a 21-volt DC power inserter because these units can't be powered by the receiver. Make sure you have the proper power inserter for the SWiM LNB. Also, never connect a power inserter in a way that it can feed voltage to a receiver. This voltage will damage the tuner in the receiver. Another piece of hardware you'll need is the SWiM splitter. These come in a 2-port, 4-port, or an 8-port model. You'll notice the frequency range on all SWiM-compatible equipment is listed at 2 to 2150 megahertz. In order to align and peak the ODU, you'll also need an alignment signal locator, or ASL. The ASL is connected to the SWiM LNB and allows you to look at the signals from the satellites at 101 and 119 degrees independently.